Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to unboxing this Hot Wheels Disney Pixar Lightyear Amazoom. That one it's called SOX. This cat. You see it's called that's 5 25, so you could see its character. Unboxing this one that so ominous. That one it's called with calls on it. Got this from Glenfield Mall. That one Glenfield with calls. Got this from shopping mall. I'm going to unbox this. You see, that one, they say, cool. This is a cool color, this, but you could see that one. Made in Malaysia. That one is called Amazoom. That's 01 number 1. That one, this up here, it's called on top SOX. From this cat. This one, it's blue color on this, similar to Flight 03. So this one is the circle on it, white and black wheels. That one is black glass, and that one it's door car. This one it's cool car that I can play with this for a while. And then that one that's lying on them, you could see in this. See that one? You could see from shopping mall. This for a while. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I've been unboxing this. That one has 2 of them, and I'll see you then. Bye.